Today I want to show you a new naming feature we have when working with our scaffolds. The bottom right of Repertrail, the scaffold subtab, the bioscaffold. The far right we know we can work with the shape of the object or the scaffold itself. We can work with the infills. Here we can name it. Normally when you create one, auto scaffold every single time. The only way to differentiate is to go into your file explorer and then rename it however you want. You don't have to do that anymore. So now if we wanted to name it something fun, like Mario, we have a Mario tab, or Mario scaffold right there. Let's say we wanted to make sure we could differentiate it on the go. So this one has a space of 2.5. Say we're testing the spaces, so is this one space 2.5? Boom, space 2.5. This can also work when we're dealing with copies. So if we go to copies, 40 preview, looks great. Well, this one has 4 copies. Our G code, 4 copies. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for working with Hyrel.